Now, ladies and gentlemen, in this video we are going to study about how to find out the coordinates, I mean latitude and departure. For that, what you need to have lines. I have nominated these lines A, B, B, D, D, F, F, E, etc. From here you can see, from this scheme I have taken these names: A, B, B, D, D, F, F, E, E, C and C, A. Now coming back to here, for finding out the coordinates, what we need to have, two things: first length and then the bearing. Look, for finding out the latitude, we will apply the formula latitude is equal to L cos of theta. What is theta? This bearing, okay? And L here, it is length of the side, bearing of the corresponding side, length of the corresponding side. L cos of theta is equal to latitude, and then departure is equal to L sin of theta. Simply you are going to do, L cos of theta, ये value आ जाएगी, L sin of theta, you will get this departure value. You will fill these two columns. Okay, if you sum up these values, their sum must be equal to 0 ideally, but in this case this sum is not 0. I actually forgotten to write here. It value comes 0 point something, and this value again comes 0.07 type. Look, if these values are very close to 0, we are going to neglect this correction. If these values are somewhat greater than 0, like 1 2 3 4 5, minus 1 2 3 4 5, then we will apply correction using Bowditch rule. But when we have applied so much corrections on the angles, we are supposed to have latitude and departure free of error. When we add all these values, we are going to get 0. When we add these values, we are going to get 0. Now moving onward, if there is no correction is negligible, we neglect this correction, we simply take these values. Now the thing comes, how to find out independent coordinates. To find out the independent coordinates, as time will exceed, I will not be able to share this video in WhatsApp group, so I am going to break it here. To the next part will be in the next video. Let me break it here.